I'm Erin with Erin's Faces, and if highlighter freaks you out, you have come to the right place because we're going to do it super easy, simple with magic or fairy dust. This will work, or any highlighter that you have, but this is how it works with these guys. Here we go. Okay, so you've got magic dust and you've got fairy dust, and you can see, well, they look kind of similar in the light, but magic dust is a soft gold, fairy dust is a champagne. I think that magic dust is going to show up more in this video, so I'm going to use it. So how do you use it? Number one, you will never go through this jar, ever. You will have it forever. So you need very little. So you can see here, you've got this little sieve and you're like, oh, I should take that off. No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't do that. You should just punch a hole in like 2 holes. I don't know how many there are, but there's a lot. You only need 2 holes because you don't need the full like weight of the magic or fairy dust behind you because it will be insane. So punch 2 holes, the end. Don't tear the sieve off, okay? You're gonna go into the cap. You're not gonna get a brush that's like big and fluffy and huge because that's not gonna work. You want a little brush but that doesn't pick up a ton of product, okay? So like this is tighter. This is my blush brush. But if I use this, it would pick up more product. I don't want it to pick up a lot of product. I want it to just pick up a little bit, okay? I'm going in to the cap. I'm not going into the actual jar because it will pick up more product than I want. I just want a dusting, which I have in front of me. So, okay, you're gonna go here. You're gonna feel for this bone. It has a name. It's like zygomatic. I don't know if that's right, but it sounds like that. And you're just going to pop this here, and then you're going to come under the brow. Sorry, I can't see. Under the brow. Yeah? Boop, boop. It's hard to see in this light because there's a fancy ring light that blows everything out, but that's the difference. And you can see it flying everywhere. It's not a filter, it's just what happens. Now, if it's more shimmer than you want, you're just going to push it with your finger, and what that does is crushes the pearl, okay? So we're going to go back in on the other side. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, there, you can see it. See that shimmer thing? I can't, there, that one. That's it. And under, coordination is like nil. Okay, so that's more than I want, right? That's a little glowy. So you can do this. Perfecto. So now it just looks glowy skin. If you have drier skin, you can use this and it looks like your skin is dewy and glowy. Then a little makeup artist trick you can do is take it from the pot, take a eyeshadow brush or some whatever, eyeliner, anything, doesn't matter. And we're just going to go around the tear duct. And this is a makeup artist trick. Thank you, Mally Ron Cow and Kevin Aquan. I feel like he did it. And she did it too. You're just going around the tear duct, and that opens your eye and makes it look more awake. Right? And if you want to, so that's without, it's a little shimmery, a little makeup-y, right? So then you're going to take your ring finger and just crush it in there. And just bop, 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 until you like it. Now, if you want to go, if you're like, I have a holiday party, I need to look cute, I don't have any time, I can't change, it's after work. Just go in to your magic dust is what we're doing. I'm going into the jar. And then just bop it all over the lid. And you have an instant holiday eye. So easy. Goes on top of your eyeshadow. Do a little red lip. Good to go. Okay? Or just a going out eye. It doesn't have to be a holiday eye. But that's another way you can use it. Okay? So pretty. I need to go somewhere fun. So that's how you use it. Got it? You can do it. So here's the thing. it comes with, whoops,